Hi and welcome to the Coffee Direct Kitchen. Today I'm going to be taking you through how to make a raspberry coffee. So for those of you sweet tooths, stick around. We're going to be using the Golden Crema Coffee Direct blend. The Golden Crema is medium to high strength with a full body and full aroma. It's an espresso roast suitable for all brewing methods and has 5-star reviews on our website. So definitely give it a try. But if it's not to your liking, we have hundreds of other blends to choose from on the website. Just head over to coffeedirect.co.uk. Okay, so to take you through the ingredients and the equipment that you'll need for this recipe. Starting with the equipment, you'll need a cafetiere, a kettle, and a heat-proof glass or mug. With the ingredients, you will need 1 tablespoon of raspberry syrup. You'll need 1 teaspoon of sugar. You will need 2 tablespoons of your favourite ground coffee. We recommend Coffee Direct, obviously. And you will also need 120 ml of steamed milk. You'll need 125 ml of boiling water. This recipe is for a 1-person serving, so if you are serving for 2 or more, adjust the ingredients accordingly. The optional extras for the topping are fresh raspberries, whipping cream, and also 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. Okay, so to start the recipe off, you will need your cafetiere at the ready. Simply open it up. Empty your 2 tablespoons of favourite ground coffee in. And then you're going to want to add your 125 ml of boiling water. Okay, so put the lid on and leave it to brew for 3 to 4 minutes. So while your coffee is brewing, it's time to heat up your milk. You need 120 ml of milk. It can be any milk of your choice. Put it in a microwavable safe bowl. Put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes on a high heat. We used a milk frother alternatively, so it's your choice. It just depends if you have a milk frother at home or not. If you have microwaved it, when you remove it from the microwave, you will need to whisk it until it's just starting to foam. Okay, so once the coffee is brewed, you need to push the plunger down, and then you're going to want to fill your coffee cup. It should be just above halfway. Like so. Okay, and then you're going to want to add your 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And then your 1 tablespoon of raspberry syrup. And then mix it in really well. You want to mix it until all the cocoa powder's disappeared from the top. And it should turn this beautiful sort of rich, deep brown, verging on raspberry red colour. Okay, so when that's mixed up well, add your 1 teaspoon of white sugar. And again, mix in well. And that colour is just gorgeous. And then the next thing you need to do is add your steamed frothed milk. Add however much you would choose. So it can be just a dash. You might not want milk at all, have it black. Or add quite a lot for more sort of a latte effect, a real milky coffee. I'm leaving just a little bit of space near the top of mine because I'd like to add some whipped cream and some toppings. Okay, so once that's all mixed together nicely, you then just spoon your whipped cream on top. We prepared and whipped ours earlier. And it should just float on the top nicely. This is a great recipe to try if you've got friends coming round. It's great all year round, but particularly for spring and summer when raspberries are in season. It's a nice alternative to just sort of the regular coffee. Okay. And then what you can do on the top is just add a drizzle of the leftover raspberry syrup. Maybe even add on a fresh raspberry or 2 to really impress your friends, and a pinch of cocoa powder. And you're all set. I hope you enjoy. It's a nice sweet treat. And leave us a comment or subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video. We'd love to hear your thoughts, and also if you've got any other recipes you'd like to see from us or recipes that you've got ideas for, we'd love to hear about it. Enjoy!